Hello, blessed day po. I just want to share a verse po sa inyo. Came from Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. Ang sabi po doon, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him and He will make your path straight. So hindi ko alam kung ano ang problemang kinakaharap nyo ngayon, pero God reminds us to trust Him no matter what will happen. Minsan kasi nagre-rely tayo sa understanding natin, sa kung ano-anong pumapasok sa isip natin, mas ine-entertain natin yung mga pumapasok sa isip natin, yung mga negativities, ganun. But God doesn't want us to lean on our own understanding. He wants us to entrust everything in His hands. Trust Him even in the midst of the worst situation. Trust Him even in the midst of impossibilities. Trust Him with everything. Our God is trustworthy, and beside He knows what He is doing in our life. He knows His great plans for us. No one can comprehend His plans for us. No one can tell us what God's plan for us. Only Him knows it. Siya nga yung omniscient, omnipresent, and omnipresent and omnipotent God. Kaya wag niyong pagdudahan ang Diyos. Lahat ay kaya-kaya niyang gawin. Lahat ay kaya-kaya niyang baguhin. Just remember that God is the best. God knows what is the best for all of us. With that, to God be the glory.